The concept of the afterlife has fascinated humanity for centuries. It is a topic that sparks curiosity, wonder, and even fear. Throughout history, various religions and belief systems have attempted to shed light on what lies beyond death. When it comes to unveiling the afterlife, the Bible stands as a timeless source of inspiration and insight. Its teachings offer profound wisdom and guidance, providing hope and comfort to those seeking answers about the mysteries of life after death. Exploring the mysteries, delving into the afterlife's profound teachings, the Bible serves as a gateway to unraveling the mysteries of the afterlife. Its rich tapestry of teachings offers invaluable insights into what awaits us beyond this earthly existence. Through its verses, we gain an understanding of the significance and purpose of life after death. The Bible assures us that death is not the end but a transition into a realm of eternal existence. One of the most comforting aspects revealed by the Bible is the promise of a heavenly dwelling place. It describes heaven as a place of unimaginable beauty and splendor, where there is no pain, suffering, or sorrow. This divine revelation instills hope and provides solace during times of grief, reminding us that death is not the final goodbye, but rather a doorway to a blissful eternal existence. Furthermore, the Bible teaches about the resurrection of the dead, offering assurance that our loved ones who have passed away will be raised to new life. This belief brings a sense of comfort and closure, knowing that death is not the end of our relationships, but a temporary separation until we are reunited in the presence of God. In this way, the Bible provides a profound understanding of the afterlife, inspiring us to live with purpose and to cherish the eternal bonds we share with our loved ones. Divine revelation, unveiling the boundless inspiration of the Bible's insights. The insights provided by the Bible regarding the afterlife are not merely intellectual knowledge, but a divine revelation that touches the depths of our souls. The teachings of the Bible inspire us to live with a sense of purpose and hope, knowing that our lives extend beyond the boundaries of this earthly existence. By delving into the Bible's teachings on the afterlife, we gain a renewed perspective on the value of our actions and the impact they have on our eternal destiny. It encourages us to live a life guided by love, compassion, and forgiveness, recognizing that our choices in this life have eternal consequences. The Bible's insights on the afterlife also remind us of the brevity of our time on earth. It prompts us to make the most of each moment, prioritizing what truly matters and aligning our lives with the eternal principles of goodness, justice, and righteousness. In doing so, we can leave a lasting legacy that extends far beyond our earthly years, shaping the lives of others and enriching the fabric of humanity. Unveiling the afterlife through the teachings of the Bible brings a profound sense of inspiration and hope. It reminds us that our existence does not end with death, but continues on in a realm of eternal joy and fulfillment. The Bible's insights offer solace during times of grief, assurance in the face of uncertainty, and motivation to live a life of purpose and love. As we explore the mysteries of the afterlife, let us embrace the teachings of the Bible and allow them to guide us towards a future filled with boundless hope and endless possibilities.